All right, sorry guys, we've been MIA. Been working hard on the jzx, trying to get it ready to go for paint. Put in a lot of hours and weeks into this thing, but it is turning out pretty good. Put a little bit of Bondo here and there to make this body look super minty. Got some skirts fitted, looking nice. This side is basically ready to go. Unsure what color we're gonna go with yet, but I got like 3 colors I'm gonna choose probably today. I've got 7 days to get it ready, painted, or I guess primered, and then we'll have it ready for paint. Have a buddy come and help paint it. But today we are going to work on getting this ugly skirt off and getting the new Vertex skirts mounted. This side is pretty much sanded down already as well. She is really close to getting there. It's really close to being done. So I've found a grill and fitted the bumper and all that stuff. I'm not sure what the last update was that I did for you guys, but painting some interior pieces to make it look nice and not skull hydro dipped and such. But yeah, we'll get a little bit of coverage today, getting this stuff mounted up, and hopefully final touches before primering this thing and then giving it a new color. It's gonna look nice. So let's jump into it. Wanted to leave these stickers for last. It gives the car uniqueness. Anybody that's seen these stickers on a jzx in New Zealand knows where this came from. So that's pretty cool, but I got to get those off here so we can paint it. So she's gonna have to go. All right, well, these guys are playing hardball. They bondoed the screws over the screws and over the mounted the kit, so it's flush. And you can't see mounting hardware, which is great until you try and get it off, and then you can't find it. So I was able to find these puppies. Start drilling them out. Hoping this thing comes off in one piece, but you know, I'm sure it's been on there a few years. Obviously when it was orange. New Zealand Performance Car Magazine, alright. Sweet deal. Oh, Falcon, huh? Can tell this isn't from America with that, how that tire is just spelled. Goodbye to its old life. Welcome to America. We'll keep the fitness on there, you know. Keep it some OG stuff. Just rolled the fenders as well, so in case we feel froggy, we want to put some hot boys on this thing before we sell it. Have her looking minty. So let's jump into doing some more sanding and getting this skirt off. Alright, as you just saw, they weren't happy, but we got them off, so cleanup begins now. So big ugly boys are off. We gotta get this nasty Japanese sealant off here. We gotta get all this stuff off. We gotta drill the rest of these rivets out like so. Not a fast process, not a fun one, but end result looks sweet. So end result looking sweet is what we are going for. So let's get to it. skirt is fitted. We're about to do some sanding. Skirt is looking nice. It's stout. So, we'll do some sanding, blend all this right here. Get rid of these guys. Get it ready for paint. Let's go, let's go.
Paint for what?
When I die, auction off all my body parts. Let's see what I be cost. Some of my skull to Shawty's cross. Got all these ops on my dick like it's made of metal. Making so much money, it's like my boss.
Alright, today is the day that we start paint prep officially on the JZX. So, we've got it all stripped down, ready to go. Touching up a few pieces here and there, you know, but overall everything's been hit with 320. I'm going to hit it all again just to make sure we're good. I've never done this before. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing what I can. Doing a little bit of research here and there. But it's going to turn out good, I believe. I'll be happy with it either way, you know. Anything's going to look better than what we've got going on here. This side's not even bad. But yeah, staying true to Auckland right now. As long as we can, at least. But yeah, we're going to hit it all with 320 again. And then we'll start taping things up to get it ready to primer. I got all the body parts over here taken off that I also have to hit still. But we will get these beauties covered up because obviously we don't want any overspray on these hot boys. A few things that we gotta get covered up, but overall we'll be ready to clean this place out today, do final sanding prep, and then we will in the next day or two let's get this thing primered and get it done. Let's get this thing to be one color again. It's been who knows how long, how many years since this thing's been one color. Nice paint color at least. At one point obviously it looks like it was a nice orange color, but I wanted to go with something a little bit more neutral. Unfortunately the door jambs are still going to be orange. I didn't want to go that far with it. We're doing what we can, so we'll get some video of us doing final preps on this thing and go from there. Alright, first time seeing sunlight in a while. Let's get this thing washed, kill some of this dust, blow out this garage, kill all that dust, and go from there. Alright guys, so we got everything washed off, killed all that dust, got everything set up. You know, it's not a professional setup, but it'll get the job done. Got this thing looking spicy. Body looks super straight. So let's I gotta go to the store here in a few, grab a few things, prep these pieces a little bit more, and we're good for primer. Probably hit primer tomorrow. I hit everything at once, so keep it easy. So let's keep on keeping on. All right, guys, time has come. About to give her the old wipe and then hit her with some painter's tape so we can start getting her ready. So just started right here. We'll do the rest of the car, rest of the windows, whatever things we don't want, and we will get this thing going. So almost there. All right, so had a few homies come over, so wasn't able to get video like I wanted, but we have basically got everything taped off that we don't need to be painted. Getting the windows covered, wheels and tires obviously. Windows, I got the side windows still, but overall we've basically got it ready to go. We'll spray primer in the morning, so I'm hoping to get these windows covered tonight. So we'll do a quick time lapse of getting these things covered.